This is Kylie, come from Nanjing GS-mach extrusion equipment corporate limited. Today I will introduce how to fit in so many machines in one container. You know the shipping price is increased a lot nowadays. So today we will fit in a lot of machines in one container and help you to save the shipping machine and told you how to fix the machine in the container. Later we will show you one by one. See you later. Hello everyone, now we got the car in the workshop to make sure all the machines in the container. Why we can put so many machines in one container? You can have a look here. We pack the machines together. And now we are loading the extruder. In the container, we also packed a lot of more machines together over the machine. Here we put the two vibrators, and over up here we also put the zero. So this is the fan again. Here we put the three silos there. This is for twin screw extruder compound machine. Now we will drop the twin screw extruder into the container now. Okay, we will have a look. Now when the 40-inch container has completely finished the loading, and we put a lot of the machine and the spare parts in the container. Try our best to put in. Also, if you want to decrease your shipping cost or loading more spare parts in the container, welcome to contact us at any time. See you next time.